yeah, you don't have to listen to my vlogging stuff anymore. Buen dia, people. I think it's buen dia. Yeah. So it is 8:43 in the morning. I just had breakfast and I'm now packing up again to leave because I have something like a 7-hour ride ahead of me. Probably more if you count a few breaks in it. So yeah, just to show you what view I had yesterday and today basically as well. So not the worst weather, not the worst view. Yeah, weather-wise it is questionable. I hope I don't run into rain, but at least I won't get a heat stroke. So yeah, packing up and off to Santa Marta it is.
So it is 9:40 in the morning right now, and I'll be heading in the direction of Spain. So again, yesterday didn't do much again. Just strolled through the city a bit, had myself a dinner kebab, typical Portuguese meal. And that's pretty much it. The only thing I figured out in this town in Peniche was it's apparently very well visited by English speaking guys. Lots of UKs there for that matter. In Lagos, I think I heard also quite a few people from Great Britain, but also plenty of Americans. So no American was found yesterday, at least I didn't heard anyone. Yeah, not looking forward to this ride. It's about 475 kilometers ahead of me. So I should do plenty of breaks and also hope for the best for the weather, because right now it doesn't look that promising. At least not ahead of me, so wish me luck.
Good morning everyone, or buen dia, buenos dias. Yeah, it is 8:45 in the morning. I will have something to eat right now, which is self-serving here, because this is technically a hotel, but practically more like an apartment. So, I've got my kitchen over here, my dining table, sofa, TV room, TV. Then my bathroom over here, which is spacious enough. And here's my sleeping room. Yeah, sleep yesterday was pretty okay. The walls here are very thin. So as soon as someone uses the shower, the toilet or whatever, you can instantly hear it, which is quite annoying. Nevertheless, I will head over to... honestly, no idea. Toledo, maybe something like this. It is northwest of here, about 460 kilometers, but my hotel is in the middle of nowhere. Nevertheless, it looked quite good. Had a buffet for breakfast and evening meals and so on. Yeah, kind of looking forward for the ride. Yeah, well, see you then. 99% sure that I'm in some sort of park here, because look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, coffee is nearly served. It is instant coffee, but at least it is coffee. So it's better than nothing. Yeah, kind of love my Optimus Svea 123R. It runs on fuel, like normal fuel, and technically only white gas. But like I said, runs on fuel as well, all fine. It is a bit dirty, but that's about it. So now some sugar and milk, which I bought this for Milchmädchen, whatever that is. Well, it is condensed milk and sugar. Not that easy with one hand. Yeah. So, and now I have to let it cool because the pot is quite hot. Kaffee und Kuchen, as we say in Germany, or just coffee and cake. So I arrived in the middle of nowhere. I will now check in, at least I try to. Hello. How was this? Good. I booked the room. Das sieht gut. Let's see how it is. Holy shit, I look finished. Yeah, you don't have to listen to my vlogging stuff anymore, at least not while I'm driving, because I somehow managed to fuck up my microphone. Yeah, which might be for the better if I think about it. Anyhow, so what to say? Yeah, I had something to eat at the buffet in this hotel. This hotel on its own is quite odd. It's basically a motel, but more like a hotel. It even has a kart bar, kart racetrack, and other things which are all not open because out of season, like always. I accidentally stumbled into a party of grandmas and grandpas, and they kind of seemed happy about it because they wanted to take me onto the dance floor, but I kindly refused and fled as fast as I could. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, target tomorrow will be France again. Forgot the name, but you will probably figure it out tomorrow, I guess. And yeah, that's about it. Had a nice ride, and tomorrow on France I have to be careful again because of all the speed traps. Since I already hit a few, I yeah, kinda don't want to hit anymore because they are expensive here. There. Good night.